Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use hedge mode in futures trading and explain how it can help reduce your risk. Hedging allows you to open an opposite position when the market moves against your trade. Before enabling hedge mode, make sure you don't have any open positions. Then go to the future market, open position mode, switch to hedge mode, and confirm the change. Your first order may show an error while the system updates, but after that, everything will work normally. There are two common hedging strategies. The first is opening an opposite trade if the market moves against your position to help offset losses. The second is opening both a long and a short position at the same time. As the market moves, close the profitable trade and manage the losing one until it recovers. Always use proper risk management, including stop losses and take profit levels to protect your funds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.